नमः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेषां स्वागतं तु अद्य पञ्चमः पाठः तस्य अनुवर्तनं ततः प्राक् अस्माभिः आगामि शनिवासरे गीताजयन्तिः इति कार्यक्रमः अत्रापि अस्माकं कक्ष्यायाम् अपि चाल्यते तस्य विषये किञ्चित् वक्तुम् इच्छामि सामान्यतया मार्गशिरशुक्ल एकादशी दिनस्य गीताजयन्तिः इति सर्वत्र प्रसृतविषयः एव तत् सर्वेभ्यः ज्ञातविषयः इति मन्ये संस्कृतभारती संस्था अपि तद्दिने अपि च तस्मिन् वासरे किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते बहवः अस्माकं कार्यकर्तारः वासरान्ते वा किमपि गणशः कार्यक्रमान् चालयन्ति तो तस्मिन् वासरे यदा कदापि गीताजयन्ती कार्यक्रमं सर्वत्र वयमपि कुर्मः वयमपि अस्मिन् शिक्षागणे अपि अस्माभिरपि तद् क्रियते तु कथम् इत्युक्ते भगवद्गीतायाः उचितभागस्य संक्षेपपारायणरूपेण वयम् अत्र कुर्मः मया आदेशानुसारं किमपि चयनं कृत्वा अत्र स्लैड्स् माध्यमेन स्थाप्यते अत्र द्वितीयोऽध्यायाच्चितानि श्लोकानि सन्ति श्लोकाः सन्ति स्यात् नाम तु प्रायः 24 श्लोकान् स्वीकृत्य कुर्मः इति प्रायः 10-12 अस्माकं गणस्य प्रमुखाः ये सम्यक् पठितुं शक्नुवन्ति दृष्टुप् वा अनुष्टुप् वा स्यात् सम्यक् ये पठितुं जानन्ति तेषां मुखेन वयं सर्वे श्रुत्वा पावनाः भवामः इति अस्माकं चिन्तनम् अत्र मया किं क्रियते प्रत्येकः अथवा प्रत्येका अपि एकवारं द्विवारं पठित्वा तदनन्तरम् अहं वा ते वा अर्थमपि एकवारं पठित्वा अग्रे गत्वा एवं 24 श्लोकानां ज्ञानं प्राप्नुमः तद्दिने यद् भगवता अस्माकं ज्ञानाय बोधितमस्ति तस्य किञ्चित् वा पुनः प्रापयामः इति अस्माकं चिन्ता तो तदनु वयमपि कुर्मः अत्र so in very quick way in English for those who couldn't catch all the color of what I was trying to describe in the manageable Sanskrit that I know so in the coming Saturday
thank you sir
on the coming Saturday all of us in this group also will observe Gita Jayanti as is the traditional process of Samskrita Bharati groups all over the world. So our observation will be through the students, selected the students who are very capable of reading the Trishtup and Anushtup meter shlokas nicely. But that doesn't mean those of you who have enormous enthusiasm to read don't need to shy away or anything because you may not be fully familiar with all the correct process of reading. As long as you can read Sanskritam well, no issue. Please volunteer. We will try to select some 10-12 people so that couple of shlokas each we will cover some 24 or so shlokas. Okay, and all of us will listen together next Saturday. In the first half an hour or so, we will conduct this program before we continue to our normal studies. Okay, so with that, I would like to go to our regular lesson. Yes. Yes, Bhagini.
Okay.
Any question?
When will you select, sir?
I will send the selections in our group. Unfortunately, I wanted to send before this class, but because I got busy attending to some elderly person, I am moving up and down. So I will try to do it today, tomorrow. Huh?
Will you be sending some Google form for filling it up?
No, 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 no. I don't want to complicate like that. You can personally message me with your interest, or you can put it in the group. If you want to avoid putting clutter of requests in the group, just send me a personal message saying I'm interested in participating. Then I will collate your names and select some 10. If you don't happen to get chosen, please don't take it wrongly. Just because I will have to
I
limit.
would like to join. I'm Chandra Sridhar.
What we are going to
Please don't orally now volunteer because I won't be able to remember. I have very
Yes,
bad memory. I have very
Mahodaya,
bad memory.
what
Yes.
we are going to narrate, have we to highlight
Nothing
that?
narrate. You just need to read the slokas couple of times each
Okay.
and 2 slokas per person. That's all.
Okay, okay. That's
And then there will be an English narration of the basic translation. You yourself can read that, or I can step in and read it, and we can keep moving like that. Okay. Each one should not need to take more than 4-5 minutes. Then we can spin it all in very quick time. Okay.
We are different chapters.
No, sir. I will just because of congruency. If we just jump around now, it will become too much bodha. We want a little bit of thread also. So I'm going to choose one chapter, possibly the second chapter, which has good basic bodha, and go with select verses. Huh?
Do we also narrate the meaning?
It will be there in the slide. We will quickly read it. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
So you will provide slides also,
Yes.
sir?
I will be sharing it in the group. The PDF I will be sharing. What I will be displaying, I will share ahead. And I will also make a table of names against which shlokas are assigned to them. Okay. So we can quickly turn by turn finish it off. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So अस्माकं मया प्रेयर् एव न कृतम् अस्तु इदानीं करोमि यदा कदापि कर्तुं शक्नुमः गुरुवन्दना गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा हरि ओम तत्सत् अस्तु अस्माभिः शत्रन्तानां स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपाणां किञ्चित् उदाहरणानुगुणं किञ्चित् पठितमासीत् तत्र गच्छन्ति एवं केचन धातूनां नकारः न श्रूयते ददति इत्यादीनां तदपि ज्ञातवन्तः अत्र एतदपि ज्ञातवन्तः यत् लट्लकार प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनस्य रूपं ज्ञात्वा तत्र ति इति प्रत्ययात् पूर्वं यदि ह्रस्व अकारः अस्ति चेत् तदा नकारः श्रूयते नास्ति चेत् अथवा ओकारः वा उकारः वा किमपि अन्यदस्ति चेत् तर्हि नकारः न भवति इति ज्ञातवन्तः तो तत् टेक्निक् अपि अस्माभिः ज्ञातं किञ्चित् इदानीं विशेषः किम् इति जानीमः द फार्म् गच्छन्ति occurs in latlakara prathama purusha bahuvachanam and also napumsakalingam shatru pratyayantam. Okay, so one second, just give me a second. So what they are trying to bring to your attention is that in these various there are hundreds of forms, right? Just the gamldr or the gam dhatu, it takes so many forms. So there are of course the lakara forms, and then there are these kridanta forms, and some of these kridantas go into different vibhaktis. So whenever it becomes a declinable kridanta, it goes into 21 forms and so on and so forth. Okay, so inevitably there will be similar sounding forms. Contextually we'll have to understand whether it is a Shatranta or is a Lat Lakara, etc. So they are trying to bring your attention to such possibilities, saying that please don't get confused, look at the sentence and try to gather what could be the correct form. Okay. The form Gacchanti occurs in Latlakara Pratama Purusha Bahuvachan. We know Gacchati, Gacchatah, Gacchanti. We know that. Okay. And the same form also appears for the same dhatu in Napumsakalinga Shatru Pratyayantam. Okay. So we have to be aware. To distinguish between the two forms, study the following sentences carefully and note the difference in the meaning Gacchanti. So Gacchanti, they go. Okay, third person, some set of people go. Lat Vartamana Kalaha Pratama Purushaha Bahuvachanam. For example, Rama Lakshmana Sitaha Gacchanti, Vanaraha Gacchanti, Evameva. Udaharanam Balakaha Vidyalayam Gacchanti. Punaha Gacchanti ityasyev samana shabda rupasya those that are going, moving ityasmin arte api उपयोगः अस्ति. शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तः नपुंसकलिंगे प्रथमा अथवा द्वितीया बहुवचनरूपं तत्. गच्छत्, गच्छति, गच्छन्ति इति अस्माभिः अपि पठितं किल तत्र. उदाहरणं गच्छन्ति यानानि मया दृष्टानि. ओके, गच्छन्ति यानानि मया दृष्टानि. दृष्टानि वर सीन, मया by me. Kani yanani, vehicles were seen by me. What type of vehicles? Gacchanti yanani. Okay, the going vehicles that were going. Okay, were I am saying in English because drishtani is like, you know, kta bhuta. So I am just going also in bhuta sense here. Okay, the vehicles that were going were seen by me. And maya is in tritiya because this is a karmani prayoga, and this is a karmani prayoga because drishtani is a kta kridanta. Okay, so maya drishtani, seen by me. So yanani, which is the karma, but it is in pratama vibhakti bahuvachana. So to go with the qualifier as moving vehicle, gacchanti yanani. So this also goes into pratama vibhakti bahuvachana as a karmas visheshana. So pratama bahuvachana. Okay, karmani prayoga. Moving vehicles were seen by me. And were, the past tense were is dictated by drishtani, is not dictated by gacchanti. Remember that. That's why we try to call this as current continuous rather than present continuous. So present we should read to mean in that time. So that is current continuous sense is there in the Shatranta. And of course, Shanajanta also later we'll study is a variant, similar sense. So another example here, Gacchanti yanani aham drishtavan. Okay, here this is in active voice, and so they have switched from kta bahuvachana to ktavatu ekavachana because aham. Okay, yanani is still multitude of them. Gacchanti yanani remains the moving vehicles. Okay, I saw. Okay, now active voice. I saw. Aham drishtavan. I saw the moving vehicles. Okay. The should be there in Queen's English, but English is a strange language. We leave it. So this is Kartari Prayoga. Okay. So there is no the required there. There is a the must here. This is like, you know, you need to open 1000 sheets of grammar to ever figure it out. Most Britishers also don't know their own language. So it's gone where it has gone. Okay. In the sentence, one above, that is here all the way to Gacchanti. Okay. Gacchanti is a verb where, as in number 2 here below Shatranta, it is Visheshanam of Yanani. We had seen that, yeah, Visheshanam of Yanani. So all these examples of Yanani is with Visheshanam. And the sentence has another verb. See, Drishtani, Drishtavan. Of course, remember in Samskrita Bharati definition, this is a simple at the basic level. They're calling it both these verbs. But we know that in classical sense, they're actually verbs in noun form. Santi or something should be asti, something should be assumed. So maya drishtani santi, aham drishtavan asmi. Okay, asmi to go with aham. Okay, so the correct expansion adhyaharana of this is gacchanti yanani aham drishtavan asmi. Gachanti yanani maya drishtani santi. Santi to go with the yana and asmi to go with the aham. Okay. I guess you guys know the active verb should track the karma pada in karmani prayoga and kartru pada in kartari prayoga. That's what it is. That's why indeed it's named karmani prayoga, kartari prayoga. That means in the karma, in the karta, that is that kartari karmani. Actually, this name is in Saptami. Most people don't identify as a karmani is in the karma, in the karta, like that. Okay. कर्तृ शब्दस्य सप्तमी एकवचने कर्तरि इति भवति. पितरि यथा पितृ इत्यस्य पितरि, पितरि मम भक्तिः अस्ति, like that. Okay. Okay, so by knowing the difference in the meaning of the word gachanti in the two sentences, you will understand the difference in the forms also. Is there any further confusion about this gachanti in napumsaka bahuvachana and gachanti in lat bahuvachana?
No, Mahoday.
No, no. Mahoday is answering for all of you, so you cannot unmute and say anything now. Okay. Okay. All right. Gachanti. So here, this is in Strilinga. So you have to carefully notice this dirgha or hrisva also. So you cannot play around with the hrisva dirgha too easily in Sanskritam. The swaras, dhairgya is very important. Hrisva, dirgha, all those things. Okay. So gachanti. Okay. So ladies who are going. Okay. So those I should really put as I don't know why I cut.
It will be she, right, sir? It's a singular form.
She who is going. Yeah. Okay. So it's actually they themselves got confused because it's not even in plural. Okay. So those is incorrect in the book. Hopefully in a later edition they have corrected it. I don't know. So the she who is going is the correct translation of gachanti. Okay. She, because Strilinga is there in gachanti. Gachanti is in the sense of going. Okay. So to complete the Queen's English, all this who and is and all that has to be thrown in there. For us in Butler, she going is enough. Okay. Shatru pratyayanta strilinga pratama ekavachanam. So with a very subtle difference from that hrisva gachanti, which already has two meanings, we have this dirgha gachanti, which is lady going. Okay. Udaharanartham balika gachanti kadati. The girl, as she is going, she eats. So in the sense, the girl is eating while going. Okay. Gachanti is an adjective of balika in Strilingam and is ikarantaha. Ikarantaha. Dirgam. Ikarantaha. Okay. So gachanti lat pratama bahuvachane gachanti iti shatru stri ekavachane. Api cha asmabihi napumsakalinge prathamayam dvitiyayam cha bahuvachane api gachanti iti api shruyate. Okay, so that's what we need to be careful. So we need to keep our specs focused. So with all that knowledge, some very easy exercises. This is like kids game for us. So adhasthana kriyapadanam, the verbs of the verbs below, shatranta strilinga ekavachananta rupam, the form in singular with a singular ending of the type shatru pratyaya, which is in feminine gender. Shatranta strilinga ekavachananta rupam. Look at the compactness of Sanskritam. How many words we have to string in English? Yeah. Likhata, you write. Okay. So one example, vadati, vadanti, shrunoti, shrunvati. So here, okay, look out. Okay. Vadati, ati is there. So anti will come. Okay. Shrunoti, oti is there. So anti cannot come. Shrunanti cannot come. So some other form will be there. So shrunu Shrunu anti shrunvanti. So some kind of yena prakriya happens inside. Shrunu anti, like that. Okay. So shrunvati, kshametam, nakara goes away. So shrunvati, because nakara is not allowed. So shrunu ati, shrunvati, like that something happens. That's why vakara has come into picture. Okay. So of course, we are not all Paninian Pandits. So for us, the best recourse is for a good number of such deviant dhatus to actually orally practice their Shratranta forms in Strilinga. In Pullinga also they have deviations, so we should practice some of the exceptions as well as some common ones. Common ones will cover majority of the verbs. Exceptions will cover the few that we need to know. Okay. So let's do group shouting, and this time we have to go left, right, and down like that. Okay. Pathati.
Patanti.
Patanti. Ati to anti. So ati is there. So anti. Dadati.
Dadati.
Dadati. So instead of ati to ati. Okay. Ati to ati will come. Dadati. So don't do the dhairya here. Be very careful. Dadati. Okay. Not dadati. Dadati. Hrisva here. Dirgha here. Okay. Note these things. That's why I have highlighted in blue. So because it's in blue means it's an exception dhatu.
Not even Dadanti. It's Dadati only.
Dadati only. Correct. Nakara is absent, and then there are some careful play of dirgha hrisvas. We have to carefully take care. Okay. Skhalati. Ati to anti. So easy one. Skhalanti. Ati to anti. Janati. Janati. Very good. Just like dadati. Because ati is there. Okay, hrisva akara is not there. Ati is there. Moment it is not ati, we need to be careful. So janati. Ati goes to ati. Consistent with dadati style. In fact, probably these two belong to a particular gana of the dhatu set, and that's where the behavior is. So what is the meaning? For sometimes some students ask me, so I will just parrot them out. Pathati reads. Patanti, lady who is reading. Dadati, somebody gives. Dadati, the lady who is giving. I am deliberately doing that accented pronunciation so that you're listening to what I am saying carefully.
Yes, sir.
Skhalati, slips. Somebody slips. Shishu, obviously always sad fellow. Skhalanti, the lady Shishu that is sleeping. Of course, forget the Shishu part. The girl that is sleeping. Okay. Janati, somebody knows. Okay. And Janati, somebody who is knowing something and does something. Janati api sa durbhagyavashat kimapi kritavati iti. Knowingly, due to bad luck, she did that like that. Parishilayati. Standard. It belongs to the orange category. Parishilayanti. Ati to anti. Roditi.
Rudati.
Rudati. See, Mahodaya caught on very well. So the dhatu form also has a transformation, then the nakara is gone. Okay. So Rudati. Iti to ati form. Okay. Chintayati.
Chintayanti.
Yes, ati to ati, standard orange flow. Chintayanti. Karoti.
Krinati.
Somebody said Krinati.
Kurvati.
Somebody said Krinati. Kurvati. Maybe she is doing the Vikrayana Krayana Karya only, but the answer is Kurvati. Okay. Kritavati is past tense. Lung, sorry. Kritavati is, sorry, what I meant. Kritavati is Kritavan, Kritavati. Tavatu, Tavatu.
Sir, one small doubt, sir. Kurvati Pakatle, what did you write? O-T to Atiya. What is that? I can't read.
O-T to Ati.
Okay.
Madam, please pester all your family until they buy you a large screen tablet or a laptop. Don't suffer that stupid mobile they gave you.
Definitely, sir. Mobile we can't see at all, sir.
I myself am become blind using mobile.
But you can enlarge it, sir.
And you want to see.
You can zoom and see, sir.
Yeah, she will
Zoom and
enlarge. Then
sir,
she will
yes.
say, "I'm not able to see this. I'm not able to see that." Let her
Even we are
buy
taking
her a
mobile
big
phones.
screen. Why you're stopping their family from helping her? Anayati.
Anayanti.
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 The
Ati to
meaning
ati.
bring, sir, bring.
Let me read out the meaning so far. Parishilayati, somebody examines. Parishilayanti, some lady as she is examining. Roditi, somebody cries. Rudati, some lady as she is crying. Chintayati, somebody thinks. Okay. Chintayanti, some lady as she is thinking or worrying. Both inferences can be there. Karoti, somebody does. Kurvati, somebody who is a lady as she is doing something. She is doing something else is the inference that will follow. Anayati, somebody brings. Nayana means to take. Anayana means to bring. This Nayana has both movement and carrying action in it, built into it. That is, you not only carry, you move also. Okay. So Nayati, nothing to do with Nayanam. Okay. That you leave. Okay. Nayanam is a Namapada related to I. But here, I don't know why the Nayanam, is it from the same dhatu? I have no idea. But anyway, Anayati, somebody brings. Okay, it can be a male, female, or a Napumsaka Shabda, which brings. Anayanti is a lady who is bringing. Okay. Sita, or actually Shabari. Let us switch to some colorful characters. Shabari, Phalam Anayanti Ramam Swagati Kritavati. Okay. Palam Anayanti Ramam Swagati Kritavanti. Something like that. She invited Rama as she brought fruits. Like Krinati.
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 So Ati is there. So Ati is the answer. Krinati. Okay. So what we saw, Ati brings Ati and Iti brings Ati. So generally Ati is the form for all these exceptions, but something else is also at play. In addition to absence of Nakara, usually the Dhatu forms also have a play. Here, fortunately, nothing much. Janati, Janati. Dadati, Dadati. Easy ones. Roditi, because it has got the Ikara, has some other things at play. So we have to go back to its Dhatu form and come back. So Rudati comes out. Similarly, Karoti has some Dhatu transformation already in it. So we have to reverse and come from Kru Dhatu and grow. So Kurvati is the form emerges in this Prakriya. Not like Karoti or something like that. Kurvati. Krinati, Krinati, similar to Janati and Dadati. So these Ati ones are slightly simpler. So Ati ones you don't have much of Dhatu play, but Iti ones and Oti ones will get you twisted. So be prepared. So this is further clue for us to look out. Okay. Okay. Etesham Bahuvachana Rupani Likata. Of these, the plural forms you write. Patayanti Shikshika. So this is Ekavachana. So what is the three forms? Patayanti. So we saw the table earlier, right? Yesterday.
Patanti, patantyau, patantyah.
Just wanted to. Here. Remember. Gachanti, Gachantyau, Gachantyah. So this is what we have to keep in memory right now. Ekavachana. So it's not too difficult. So today we are going to the Bahuvachana. Patantyah, Patayantyah, Shikshikaha. See this Patayanti has, in addition to the Path Dhatu, it has something called Nich Prayoga that has happened. What is this Nich Prayoga? Preranarte Nich iti Paniniya Sutram Prayaha. Preranarte Nich iti. When you want to take the dhatu to transfer the effect of that action to another, that is called prerana, right? So when you want to transfer the action upon another, that means you, instead of doing yourself, you are making someone do. Okay. So is there a question? Okay. So when you want someone else to do, that is when you use. So gachati, gamayati, Okay, and some dhatus take little bit more complex transfer, some of them are straightforward. Okay, patati, patayati. So patati reads, patayati makes someone else read. Means teaches is the inference we take in long shot. Okay, and that is the form here. So this is actually continues to be a pat dhatu form, but in the nich prayoga, preranarthe nich. In Sanskrita, the nich prayoga happens in prerana and swartha also. Swartha nich is there for one of the dhatu ganas. Okay, even the dhatu belongs to a particular gana, then there is a nich prayoga due to swartha there, swartha nich. But preranartha nich is for parartha, and it can be for all dhatus generally. So whenever we study a dhatu, after we have studied the 10 lakaras, the next level is how do I now translate this 10 lakara forms, which is a massive table of potentially up to 180 forms. How do I translate that now to write new 180 forms in Preranartha mode, and such and such and such complications exist. That's why one dhatu can lead to 1 lakh forms, they say. Somebody sat down and calculated with all the multiplication tables, saying one dhatu can lead to 1 lakh forms, and that is the lower end limit. Okay. Okay. All right. So how can we have a dictionary for this language? The only way, that's why Panini decided very quickly what we should put in dictionary is the meaning of the dhatus, and everything else we should show the technology. So our grammar is dictionary is limited to 2000 dhatus, and technology is there for growing that. And then of course there are some beautiful koshas like Amara Kosha, etc. for Paryaya Padave, which you know the linga and the forms, etc. Okay. Okay. Janati balika.
Janatyah
Janatyah balikaah.
Why there is no, I'm not hearing any nakara?
Because it's an odd word, no, sir? Not the normal kind. Janati, dadati.
Very good, very good. So what happens now? Most people, when they look at this sentence, they look at ati and said it is not having dirgha akara or okara, and end up thinking something and all that. So this is already in Shatranta, Janati. Okay, because the nakara is missing, you already know we need to be careful. So we have to continue to miss the nakara in Bahuvachana also.
Nakara.
Okay, so though we just now studied patanti, patyantyau, patantyah, this one is not janantyah, no nakara. And the students are very careful. While I am doing all the unwanted lecture, they are preparing exactly how it should be pronounced. So they are ahead of me. Janatyah, not janantyah. Okay, so look for the reason why nakara is absent. Nasti. That's what I have highlighted here. Janatyah balikah. Suchayanti margadarshika.
margadarshikaah.
Very good, very good. All of you answered correctly. Atra n iti asti. Nakarah asti. Suchayantyah atra nakarah. Suchayantyah margadarshikaah. Maya kim kritam asti? Prayah color change is not related to the earlier color change. Earlier it so happened beautifully Samskrita Bharati had orange types here and blue types there, but here it is just to change the sentence color, because otherwise we will get confused reading the same color. I have changed the color. There is nothing very specific with the color other than readability. Okay. Suchayantyah margadarshikaah. So the meaning is Janati Balika, means the knowing girl. Janatyah Balikaah, sorry. The knowledgeable or knowing girls, like that. Suchayanti Margadarshika, the guide, lady guide who is indicating. Yeah, the many lady guides who are indicating. Pachanti Janani, sorry, Janani. Pachantyah jananyah. So poor. All these mothers everywhere, they are struggling and cooking for their family. Least appreciated chore everyday people do. Pachantyah jananyah. Only when the salt is more, people notice mother cooked. Okay.
Mahodaya, pachati also same in pachati.
Pachanti. इति
पचन्ति।
पचति इति न भवति पच् धातोः
हम्म।
पचति इति लटि किल पचति इति
पचते
तु नकारः अस्ति एव पचन्ति इति एकवचने पचन्त्यः इति बहुवचने
ओके।
भार्या किमपि आनीतवती
cooking ladies, no sir?
किञ्चित्
Cooking ladies.
Mothers.
Mothers.
Mother.
mothers very correct
Jananya. Mother.
janani is specific to their motherhood quality also very good shaknuvati dasi
Shaknuvatyah.
no nakara okay shaknuvatyah dasyah okay we should know how to decline this also in bahuvachana so dasi dasyah luckily it is also ikaranta so it's a very easy pair shaknuvatyah dasyah okay no nakara likanti bhagini sorry bhagini idanim patantyah bhaginyah atra santi so the ladies who are writing here it is the lady workers who are trying shaknuvatyah means the who are trying like that capable something like that rudati saki sad Sakyah, very good. Rudatyah Sakyah. Again, Ikaranta. So far now they are little kind to us, more or less. Akaranta and Ikarantas they have given. Akaranta we generally know. Ikaranta it's also similar to Pachanti itself. So easy one to decline. Let's see they take us somewhere else. No, everything is Akaranta, Ikaranta. Remember actually in Strilinga these two are the dominant forms anyway. Rudati Saki, Rudatyah Sakyah. The crying lady friends. Nayanti Karmakari.
Nayantyah
Karmakaryah. The lady workers who are carrying something. Milanti Agraja. Correct. Milantyah Agrajaha. The elderly sisters, sorry, not elderly, elder sisters. They need not be elderly. Why? English is a strange language. Anyway, the elder sisters who are meeting. Okay. Badnati Naika.
Badnatyah Naika.
Badnatyah Naikaha. Those who are tying, those I don't know why I made Naikaha. Let me whenever I see an error, I have Naikaha. I should immediately correct. Otherwise it will stay there. Apologize. Control S, I guess. Slideshow.
What is the meaning, sir, for that? Badnati Naika.
Badnati means tying, the one who is tying. So the chief protagonist, chief lady protagonist, or a leader who is tying. So, for example, I will use in a sentence. Okay, Nupuram Badnati Naika Agre Agatavati. The protagonist, lady protagonist, who is tying the Nupura to her leg, or I think the word is Nupura. I am not sure. So she is come forward, something like that. So you have this just as a pair doesn't make sense, but you know if you want to just take it means a lead lady leader who is trying, or it can be lady leading actor who is trying, actress who is trying something. Nowadays they have made English such a strange language. You are not supposed to say actress. I don't know where we have gone with language. You're not supposed to say actress. That is not that is being masculine, masochist or some stupid thing. Okay. Jalpanti Vriddha.
Jalpantyah
Vriddaah.
Sir, what is the meaning of Jalpanti?
Jalpana means like chit chat.
Okay.
So many elderly ladies after their pachana kriya, they do this jalpana kriya. Like that is the assumption here.
Is it murmuring like?
No, it is more like
Gossiping.
chatting,
Chit-chatting.
gossiping in a happy way. It
Chatting.
need not be gossip. It is some chit chat.
Chit-chatting.
Yeah.
Chit chat. Okay.
Chit-chatting. Vruddhaः न old.
So now they are progressing Sanskrit Bharati as usual. No, they take us to full sentence now, and now this exercise is very interesting. Udaharananugunam vakyani parivartayata. As shown in the example or following the example, anugunam means following the same property. That sense, the sentences you convert. Udaharanam adhyapika uttishtati pathayati. Okay, so you're supposed to assume adhyapika only pathayati and stretch it into one single sentence using the shatranta form. So adhyapika uttishtanti pathayati. So uttishtati has ati, so anti. So uttishtanti pathayati. The lady teacher, as she is standing up or while standing, she teaches like that. She doesn't sit and teach, she stands and teaches like that. So Lakshmi hi gayati nrityati. Gayanti. Don't miss the nakara. Okay, guys. Gayanti nrityati. Very. So Lakshmi, some lady, as she sings, she dances. May such Lakshmi dance in our households. Okay, Radha Krishnam pashyati tushyati.
Radha
This is a regular lady Radha of Krishna. So as she sees Krishna, she is pleased. Because Krishna is present so rarely. Okay. Okay. Poor lady. Shravya mataram ahvayati roditi.
Shravya mataram ahvayati roditi.
This one is a young little Shravya, some lucky mother's kid. As she is calling her mother, she cries. So if you see here, Krishnam pashyati. For the Shatranta, the Krishna is the karma pada. And Radha is a common karta for the Darshana Kriya and Toshana Kriya. Okay. So here also, Shravya is the common karta for Ahvana Kriya and Rodana Kriya. Okay. So Shravya ahvayanti, mataram ahvayanti, karma. Mataram ahvayanti, Shravya eva roditi.
Sir, I think so. The slide is not. I can't see this next slide in which you are teaching. Maybe it's can somebody confirm whether it's my problem?
Yeah, we can see. We are able to see. Yeah, we are able to see.
We are able to.
Okay, thank you.
Left side.
Just check, sir, whether you need to refresh something. Sometimes the internet behaves strangely.
No, sir, I can see you talking, but I'm not able to see this this one. Yes, now I can see. Yes.
Okay.
You can put a
The scale is on
nice
the left side.
guidebook like this, sir. Suggestion.
Try to click the screen again, sir. Immediately.
I can't make out anything. Sorry. Charulata Uttaram Smarati.
Nice guidebook, sir.
Charulata Uttaram
So this is a good student. Charulata is a Chatura student. So this Charulata, remembering the answer, she writes. She doesn't write willy-nilly something. Okay. So she is going to pass. Divya Chintayati Kedam Anubhavati. Now what they did in this, they shifted, not shifted, they gave a karma pada for the active kriya. Okay, Kedam Anubhavati. So far the active kriya was not having any karma. This time the karma is there for the active kriya pada. In this example, the Chintayanti doesn't need a karma because that is a Chintana kriya. So, all right. So, Divya Chintayanti Kedam Anubhavati. So, this poor lady Divya, as she is worrying or thinking, she experienced or she experiences, she experiences regret. Kheda is like regret. Okay. Regret is the karma pada for the Anubhava. Lalita Jalam Anayati Skhalati. Ayyo. Lalita jalam anayanti skalati. I somehow remember this Lalita suffering once earlier also in our exercises. Poor Lalita. I hope author is not taking his revenge on someone. I almost can feel his characters. Sumitra prashnam pritchati pashyati. Sumitra prashnam pritchanti kim pashyati na janimah. Uttaram pashyati va. Chhatran pashyati. Sumitra iti adhyapika syat. Sumitra prashnam pritchanti chhatran pashyati. Like that.
Skalati means what?
Oh, skalati, slips. Skalana means to slip and fall eventually. Okay. And so this Lalita, as she is bringing water, she slips. Is there a question?
Kedam.
Khedam means kheda. Kheda means regret.
Regret.
Eventually, which will lead to dukkha. So remember it as a reverse order of dukkha. Kheda first, then dukkha. Next.
Sir, I have a question. In these sentences, there are two activities that are being done. So there are two verbs, and the first one is in the continuous verb we are using. But in the previous one, we saw that it can be used as a Visheshanam also. So the application of Shatranta Pratyaya is in two ways. One is as a Visheshanam.
Very, very, very good question. Thanks for asking. It is not in two ways. It is in both ways. Okay. Just change two ways to both ways. Okay. Why both ways? Prichanti sits in the sentence as a Visheshana to Sumitra. And as it sits as a Visheshana, it does the job of conveying this action is happening. So the Sumitra who is asking a question also sees. Okay.
Okay, but if it is being used as a Visheshanam here, it has to track the same Vibhakti and...
It is tracking. Who is saying it is not tracking, Bhagini? Sumitra is Ekavachana Strilinga. Prichanti is Ekavachana Strilinga. Pratama Vibhakti. Same as Sumitra. 100% it's tracking. Not a single place it missed the track. Okay? Very good question. Nice doubt to have, because all of us see now so far Bhagini thought, oh, there are two things. Either it can be Visheshana or it can be an active concurrent verb. No, it is both. It is both all the time. Okay? Remember that.
I got confused because I thought it has to track Prashnam. So I was wondering why it is not in
Prashnam is the karma pada. Like repeatedly I keep pointing. Prashnam is the karma pada for the Prichana Kriya. Prashna Kriya. Okay.
Dhanyavada, sir. Yeah.
Very good question. Whenever you have this dichotomy, please open. That's when most students also get helped, because sometimes they carry the same dichotomy, but they are not able to mouth out that confusion. They think what they think is what it is. Most of the times it may be so. Okay, but here I am bringing out it is a Visheshana and it is a current continuous tense of the verb also.
Sir, that means the actor is the same.
Actor is the same. Karta is the same. Very good. Earlier I pointed out, no? Lakshmi is the karta for Gayana and Nritya. Radha is the karta for Darshana and Toshanam. Shravya is the karta for Ahvana Kriya and Rodana Kriya. Charulata is the karta for Smarana Kriya and Lekhana Kriya. Divya is the karta for Chintana Kriya and Anubhava Kriya. Like this. Okay?
So one is the main action and the other one is the subordinate action.
No. I don't. Okay, you can call it subordinate, the Prichanti, but really both actions are concurrent.
Simultaneous.
Yes, you are right. The ultimate verb is the Pradhana Kriya and the first Shatranta is a Upapradhana. Correct. But Upapradhana Kriya is hiding under the guise of a Namapada as a Visheshana to the Sumitra.
Okay, makes sense, sir. Now it makes more sense. Because it is the Namapada which is working as the Kriya Pada, whereas there is a main Kriya Pada actually.
Correct. Ekating Vakyam Moola Sutra. Okay.
We can't interchange, no?
You can interchange. You can interchange. Very good question. Sumitra Pashyanti prashnam pritchati. Okay, Pashyanti prashnam pritchati. No problem. Then the split sentence would be Sumitra pashyati, Sumitra prashnam pritchati. So okay, because pritchati is sequenced in the latter part in the main split sentence. In the common sentence, we go with the darshana related action first and the question prashna karana later. No problem. But both are concurrent. But it makes sense or not, that is context dependent. Here it makes sense.
Yes.
Sumitra, as she is seeing, she asks the question.
She's
Sumitra, as she is
asking
asking the question, she sees. No problem. Both are correct.
But the main action should be defined. Because the main action should be defined. For example, I listen to the radio while driving. So driving should be the main action. So,
Madam, it depends. If you end up with some problem while driving and listening to radio, then listening to radio became the primary action for you.
One more thing, just to madam, I just realized one thing. See, in English, the verb which comes immediately after I, it becomes the main action. Basically, I listened. So listening becomes the main verb. In Sanskrit, that becomes the last one.
In the end, Bharta, the pradhana kriya is the thing. Okay, just take this much. Eka thing vakyam. Just listen, guys. Okay, let me answer the gentleman. Okay, so the eka thing vakyam is the main rule. One thing one thing makes a sentence. Like that. Okay, neither zero thing nor two things. One thing makes a sentence. And that means there has to be one lakara yukta dhatu in the sentence. In Sanskritam, many times it is a adhyaharana. The dhatu may not be present with its lakara form. It is left to the inferencing, contextual inferencing also. Most cases, the contextual inferencing, I'm twisting my words. Contextual inferencing is for asti, santi, bhavati, bhavanti, these kind of things only. Not something very exotic. In some rare cases, okay, again it's the patient, so let me just talk and come back. Stand by. Okay, good news. She is getting discharged. I have to go and see her tomorrow. I don't know. Tonight.
You are a doctor by profession?
No, madam. I am just her nephew. I wish I was a doctor. There are many doctors who have taken up Sanskrit. There is one wonderful American who is more Indian than all of us. He's called Swarupa. Of course, that is his adopted name. He is a student of one of the highest grammar knowledgeable persons in Sanskritam called Pushpa Dikshita. Pushpa Dikshita is a grand lady who has progressed the thought process of the Vyakarana Pandits with her own books and all that. You know, progressing from where the earlier grammarians have left. She has explained the world of dhatus beautifully. And our Krishnapura, Soumya Krishnapura, whose name I bring so often, she is a student of Pushpa Dikshita also. They all call her as Mata. So this Swarupa, who is an American doctor, he spends 3 months of every year, he breaks off from his career and comes into various the ashramas wherever Sanskrit is there. He spends his time as often as possible. Maybe last couple of years he has not done it. So he has learnt Sanskritam extremely with extreme detail, and he teaches thousands of students, Indian students, largely in America also, online. Okay, he teaches. So yeah, so I don't know why I went there. So, yeah, because we discussed about doctors.
I am a teacher. I am a teacher of the Abhyasa Varga.
Of Swarupa Mahodaya?
Yeah, Swarupji, yes.
Oh,
Arvindo Mahodaya is a leader in India.
Superb.
And Swarupji is under Swarupji's control. We are all teaching Abhyasa Varga.
So nice, Mahodaya.
19th, I am going to start one more batch.
Superb.
With 135 students.
Strength to you, sir. Strength to you. Yeah.
Pushpa Mata Putra Vasati, Bangalore.
No. Sa indoor kutrapi. Do you know Mahodaya Suryanarayan Varya? Where is Pushpa Varya?
MP. Gwalior.
Gwalior, not indoor. Yeah. Gwalior. Okay. So she has
still teaches. Anyone has knowledge, sir?
She has lots of. Her home is a Sanskrit school only. So she is of course entirely volunteer supported, donation supported, etc. She doesn't do it for any money. So she and her husband, they're all dedicated to teachings only. So she's a wonderful lady.
Still she teaches, sir. Pradishit Mataji. Still she teaches.
Oh yeah. Even at her grand old age, she continues to teach. And some of the she actually recently started some kind of Ashtadhyayi Gana. Recently she will teach online also. But you know, you have to be already very, very high to attend her
Okay.
I will, for example, totally be stumped by what she is teaching. She is another level, Bhagini.
Oh, very soon Swarupji is going to start the Vyakaranam classes.
I know. I saw the batch gathering for that.
I am joining that.
Very good. Anyway, so Swarupji I have personally met, and is a grand person. Long years back, when he was still in his formative years, at that time he had visited Bangalore because he was in Sanskrit Bharati for a while at that time. So if he visited one of our close friends who was a student in US, and we all had a gathering where he talked about some subjects and gave us all beautiful, encouraging. Just looking at it, talking, we all feel, what are we really Indian? I mean, so our effort readables to learn this wonderful language.
Regarding that Janani Pachati, I would like to tell one thing. Swami Kripananda Varya, in his lecture, he used to tell, 6 மணி நேரம் அம்மா கஷ்டப்பட்டு சமைப்பாங்க, 5 நிமிஷத்துல இருந்தாலும் தின்ட்டு போயிடுவாரு.
ಕುಂಬಾರಂಗೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಣ್ಣೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, like that we say. There is one phrase.
Correct.
It takes ages to make a pot, and then one strike and it's destroyed, like that. So that's why we should not lose this wonderful language. This language has been beaten into shape through millennia of Pandit's efforts. Yeah. Okay. With all that side talk, let's keep going. Srimati Hasayati Pathayati.
Hasayanti
Hasayanti.
This is a very good teacher. Srimati is a very good teacher.
Hasayanti Pathayati.
As she is making students laugh, she teaches. Both are in Nich. Okay. See, Hasati is without Nich. Swartha mode is Hasati. Hasayati is Parartha Nich. Okay. As she makes others laugh, she teaches. Okay. Hopefully, because she is making them laugh for good reasons, and then she is teaching. But there are also teachers, when they teach, we laugh. That's different. Hopefully, because my mother-in-law's name is Srimati. She is also a teacher, so I have to be very careful. She is not listening. So this, both of them, Hasanti, Hasayanti. So Hasanti is as she is laughing. Hasayanti as she is making others laugh. Okay, Pararthe Nich. The same thing I talked about earlier. Okay. So, you know, see, as we climb into the world of Sanskritam, little bit new windows, just like when we play games or when we see our children and grandchildren play games, they open into new levels. These are all new levels for us, for our entertainment. Okay. Shatrantam padam prayujya ekam vakyam kuruta. Using the Shatranta pada, make a sentence. Grihinyah pakakaryam smaranti. Jalpanam sthagayanti. So here you
make use of.
Bhagini?
Prayujya ityate make a sentence. Make use.
Let me translate the question for you guys. Sorry, I missed doing that. Shatrantam padam as a karma pada. So the word that is a shatranta as a target, prayujya, having properly used, okay, ekam vakyam kuruta. So one sentence as a karma, you do. So make a sentence using a shatranta word. That's all is the question. Okay. Prayujya means having used properly. Okay. Grihinyah pakakaryam smaranti. One second, guys. I'm getting noise, so I need to mute everyone. Grihinyah pakakaryam smaranti. Jalpanam sthagayanti. Oh, this author keeps going, sadly. Okay. Grihinyah pakakaryam smaranti. So the ladies in the house, okay, grihini is that literally. Pakakaryam smaranti, they remember the act of doing cooking. That means that they have to cook something like that. Jalpanam sthagayanti, they stop chatting like that. Okay. Please just take this as examples. Don't go into why such constructions, etc. Repeatedly, I have seen this. There is need to slightly moderate the language here and there. Okay, grihinyah pakakaryam smarantyah jalpanam sthagayanti. So, as remembering the need for cooking, I'm extending the English a little bit. The household ladies, housewives. I don't like this housewife word also. Anyway, jalpanam sthagayanti. Homemakers. The homemakers, as they remember the need for cooking, they stop the chatting.
So jalpanam means stop, sir.
No, jalpanam means chatting.
Chatting. Okay.
Stopping is thaganam. Thaganam.
Sthagan. Okay.
Stha dhatu. Stha means to stand or stop. Stay still.
Sthiti, you say no? Sthiti.
Sthiti. Yeah, correct. Sthiti means a status like that. Gopalikaah kshiram duhanti. Krishnam smaranti.
Gopalikaah kshiram
duhantyah smaranti. So Gopalikaah kshiram duhantyah Krishnam smaranti. Very easy. Only that single word needs to change. The full stop needs to go away. Okay. So what is this? Duhanti. I don't know why I have eva. Oh, okay. The ekavachana form of this is duhanti. Okay. That is milking. Okay. As they are milking like that. Okay. Dohana kriya it's called in its infinitive form. Dohana kriya. Dohana means the act of milking. Okay. In one sense, there are few other meanings. Dhatus, you know, they don't have one derivation. Rudi is in this context milking. Vidyartinyah Bhagavad Gitam jananti triptim prapnuvanti. Now, jananti. Okay, janati is the ekavachana form. I think Mahodaya and few other voices answered correctly, but now it's time to be cautious. Jananti, go to lat ekavachana first. Janati. So ati ending in lat. That means it is a non-traditional transformation in Shatranta Strilinga. So the ekavachana will be janati and bahuvachana will be janatyah. No nakara. Okay. So Vidyartinyah Bhagavad, I am putting lot of bet that I am thinking correctly. Vidyartinyah Bhagavad Gitam Janatyah truptim prapnuvanti. So see, correct. My bet was correct. So there is no nakara. Janatyah is the transformation, not janantyah. Our mouth will end up saying that. It's not colossal error. If you do that, don't worry. But the correct form is janatyah. Janati. So janatyah. Balikaah rudanti. Shalam gachanti. I am hearing all forms which are incorrect. Somebody said rodatyah. Somebody said rudatyah. What is the correct form? Rudatyah. No nakara, just like janatyah. Remember, roditi, ikara, iti ending. Roditi, we just saw earlier, okay, in the previous exercise. So, rudatyah, balikaah rudatyah shalam gachanti. So, ekavachana rudati. So, roditi, rudatah, rudanti, latlakare, lati in latlakara. So, roditi, rudatah, rudanti are the forms in lat. Because the roditi has no nakara, okay. So, sorry, what I'm saying. The roditi has no hrisva akara before the ti. We need to not put the nakara in the shatranta strilinga. So, rudati, rudatyah. Okay, no nakara in both. All right. So, what is the meaning? The girls crying, they went to the school. I think some young nursery kids like that. Sohodaryah karyakrame milanti sambhashanam kurvanti. See, this one lat is milati, so no confusion. Milantyah, milanti, milantyah. Okay, bahuvachana. So milantyah. So sahodaryah karyakrame milantyah sambhashanam kurvanti. So the sisters in the function, as they are meeting, while meeting, they chat. Okay, they do some bhashana between themselves or maybe to others. Vyagraha vane garjanti aharam.
Sir, Sambhashana is discussion or chat, sir?
Sambhashana is more like proper discussion. It's more close to it's not jalpana. Okay. It is jalpana. Jalpana is a little bit more meaningless. Sambhashana is meaningful generally.
Conversation.
Conversation, correct. Conversation. Not definitely not chat, simple chit chat. But there is a very thin line between jalpana and sambhashana. So usually it will be a mix of both. Okay. Vyagriyah, see strilinga. Vyagriyah vane garjanti aharam anvishyanti. Just to give the garjanti how it goes. Garjantyah. No need for repeating everything else. Just focus on that one. So garjantyah nakara. Garjati. So garjantyah. So what is this? Lady tigresses or tigresses. Okay, what is lady tigresses? Tigresses in the forest. So both Kalikrame was in Saptami, Vana is also in Saptami. So it is a location of the action. Garjantyah, as they are roaring, the food as a karma pada, they search. That means some poor deer they search. Karyakartriyah. See, remember to pronounce it carefully. Karyakartri, kartri shabda. So karyakartri, karyakartriyah. Kartriyah nirnayam svikurvanti, karyarambham kurvanti. Svikurvanti will happen what? Is there a nakara?
No.
No. The karoti, karoti, oti. So no nakara. Svikurvatyah, like that. See, karyakartriyah. My God, so difficult to pronounce. Karyakartriyah. Okay. See, there is a repa. Actually, this is mistake from my side. There is a double repa. There is a leading attack repa and there is a release repa. Okay. Attack repa is in the top. The release repa is below. Okay. I have to correct this.
Meaning also you can tell. Meaning.
the meaning, madam. You should know by now. It's very easy.
Great
That you guys are still asking for meanings for all this. See, Karyakartri is a lady worker. Karyakartryaha is many lady
After
workers.
having decided,
Can you let me just answer, madam? Karyakartryaha, the lady workers. Nirnaya means the decision as a karma pada. Svikurvanti, they accept or they take the svikara means they take the decision. Okay. And karyarambham kurvanti, they begin the work. So that in Shatrantai svikurvatyaha, having taken the decision, they start the work like that. Okay. Of course, not in the sense of having. As they are taking the decision, they start the work like that.
Okay, sir.
Grihagodikaha kitam grihnanti adaha patanti. Grihnanti will become what?
Grihnatyah.
Grihnatyaha, because no nakara. Grihnati. Ati is the ending in lat ekavachana. So grihnati, grihnatyaha. Eka and bahu of Shatrata. Okay. Grihagodikaha kitam grihnatyaha. No nakara. Uchare na. Okay. So grihnatyaha also is okay. Okay. Grihnatyaha is also okay. Let us not argue. Okay. So if some people believe that it should be read as written, do that. If some people believe that there is a reordering, do that. We will not worry too much about it. So grihnatyaha, grihnatyaha, both will take. Grihnatyaha sounds correct to me. Okay. Because grihnati, see if you know the grihnati, that's how we always say in Lat. So adaha patanti. So what is this? These are grihagodika is the house lizard. Okay, the insect as a karma, as they are grabbing, they fall. Sad. Anyway, they know how to recover after a fall. No worries. Okay. Vruddhaha karyam kurvanti devam stuvanti.
Kurvatyah.
Karoti, oti. So kurvatyah, no nakara. Okay. There are. Okay, I just shown. I was smart here. See, vruddhaha need not be lady elderly. It can be pumsi also vruddhaha. Vruddha, vruddhau, vruddhaha. Vruddha, vruddhe, vruddhaha. So there is nothing here to indicate the linga as strilinga or pullinga. So both these answers should be correct. Vruddhaha, pumsi va striyam va. कार्यं कुर्वतः इति पुंसि बहुवचने कुर्वत्यः इति स्त्रियां बहुवचने अस्तु वा शत्रन्तरूपाणि एवं देवं स्तुवन्ति. This स्तुवन्ति is lat, so it doesn't have any linga beda. It will apply to lady vruddhas or gent vruddhas. Okay. Any question? Okay. So I think we finished.
Mahodaya, adaha mean because of adaha.
Before, no, they fall down. Down is adaha.
Down. Oh, okay.
See, the lizards, as they catch the insect, they fall down. So adaha is to give the meaning of they fall down. They don't fall up. That's all. Thanks to gravity. Okay. So
Stuvanti, sir.
Stuvanti means stotra. Stotra. Same thing. Stuvana means the act of praising. Okay. Praising the Lord is stotra. Praising anybody else is stuti. But anyway. All right. So we will take a break. 12:13. We will take a short break and keep blowing for another 20 minutes. It's 12:13 now. So please gather back by 12:17. We will restart at that time. Okay. So please, I'll need to.
Not able to hear.
Madam, it's a break. They will be back in 5 minutes.
Yeah, thank you. No, because I'm having problem with my skill. I thought maybe.
No issues, madam.
Sir.
Welcome back. Namaste, sir. What's your question, sir?
Sir, in the last sentence, Vriddhaha, this should maybe in either pulling or strilinga.
Correct.
So if we assume it is pulling, then karyam kurvantah should be there, not kurvatah.
Oh, is it kurvantaha?
Bhavan bhavanto bhavantah.
Bhavan bhavanto bhavantaha. No, like I think you are right. Right. I'll correct that there. Thanks for pointing it out.
Okay, sir.
And we will cross check anyway. I don't know why I made that mistake. You're right. There is no nakara business in the pullinga. That, yeah. Kurvan, kurvantau, kurvantaha. Yeah, it's straightforward. Only the kur, that kru dhatu's conversion is the variation. The pullinga doesn't have this that business there. Yeah. Okay, so we need to keep blowing ahead. So thanks, Ravindra Mahodaya. I think it was Ravindra, right? Yeah, I think he is the one helping us always. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We thank you for your wisdom. Padasangraha. So as usual, it's really for you guys to practice with sample sentences, just like I have tried a few here. Okay. So let's quickly get some quick meanings. Trying. Okay. We actually use this in this trayate form a lot. Okay. In many stotras, you would have seen this trayate. So this is the sense they have given is to save. Actually, there is a deeper sense of protect also. Okay. To save is also to protect, of course. Okay. So that sense is also there. Trayate. Somebody saves or somebody protects. Trayate. See, even in the karmani mode with the karmani nich prayoga, the same form. There is already a yakara, so there is no additional doubling or anything. Trayate only. So trayate means somebody protects. Trayate means somebody protects another. Both senses are there. Contextually, we have to take the form. Okay. Somebody protects another. For example, here in this scene, beautiful scene, beautiful because he is already saving her. This little girl is scared and is screaming, and this boy is rushing to help. Okay, so balaha sukarapatre. No, here this one. Bala balena trayate. So by the boy, the girl is protected, like that. Okay, she protects. Okay, by boy, she is protects. But in English, it sounds almost like past tense, but here it's a karmani lat. Balaha balam trayate in active voice. So the boy protects the girl. So here it is in the karmani mode. Here it is in the kartari mode. Both same. Okay, I just used that variation to show here. Of course, another saving is balaha sukara patre. I don't know. I only coined this word. Nanakani trayate. So the boy in the piggy bank, in the piggy vessel, the money, actually nanaka means more the coins. The coins he protects, like that. Okay. The happy sukara. Okay. So then trasyate. So this is bhavishyat kala. Trasyate. Bhavishyat kala of the same trayate. Tratavyam should be saved, should be protected. Traniyam, aniyar and tavyat alternatives. Trataha, tratat, tratam, kta. Okay. So pullinga, strilinga, napumsaka. Okay. It is also available in the alternative tranaha, trana, tranam. So the prakriya has two paths due to some exception rules. Sorry, not exceptional, what I call optional rules. Okay. So when there are optional Paninian rules, two grammarians are followed. So one grammarian's path is tranaha, another grammarian's path is trataha, like that. Okay. But that means grammarian's path means the word the way it uses. Okay. One defined that way, another defined this way. It may be due to regional variations, etc. Tratavan, tratavati. So bhutakala, ktavatu. Tratavan, tratavati. And here also the nakara variations are there. Just like the same path deviation that exists for kta also is available for ktavatu. Tranavan, tranavati. Then trayamanaha, trayamana, trayamanam. Okay. So in the Shanach, we have seen some examples. The Shatrantas are not available for Atmanepadi Dhatus. This Trayate, as we know, Ate ending is an Atmanepadi Dhatu. So we go to Shanach in when we need to use continuous tense. So Trayamanaha, Trayamana, Trayamanam. So Shanach, Anach, Anach. So that Ana sound comes. Okay, ana, anatva is happening, so ana is happening. So trayamana, trayamana, trayamanam. Then tratva, tvanta, having protected. Paritraya, this is lyap. This is the same meaning as tva, except there is a upasarga, so we have to go to lyap. Paritraya, having completely protected. Pari means surroundingly, something like that. Okay. So that kind of sense. Tratum, tumun, in order to sense. Okay. Tratum, in order to protect. Gnyatum, in order to know. Same way. Tratum, in order to protect. So like this. And the other dhatus today. Dand, to punish. Pita putrasya karanam vyavartayan tam dandayati. I like this sentence. I picked this nice picture. So this Pita, he is looking at the annual exam result. Thankfully, we are not shown the internal secrets. And the ever protective mother who is so worried what this husband is doing. Okay, and the poor boy. So Pita putrasya karanam vyavartayan, twisting. Okay, tam dandayati, punishes him. Okay, what a beautiful cartoon. Okay, dandayati. Dandyate is punished. Okay, dandayishyati will punish. Dandayitavyam should be punished. Dandaniyam, same meaning. Danditaha, somebody masculine was punished. Dandita, danditam, feminine, and napumsaka of the same. Danditavan, so he punished in the past. Somebody punished. So Ramaha, Ravanam, danditavan, like that. So because Rama is pullinga, danditavan. Lakshmanaha, Shurpanakam, Danditavan. Danditavati, somebody feminine, when it does, it goes to this. Dandayan, Dandayanti, Shatranta. And Strilinga and Pullinga of that. Dandayan, Pullinga, Dandayanti, Strilinga. Dandaitva, Tvanta, Paridandya, Lyabanta. Dandaitum, tumunanta in order to sense. Okay, so like this you guys practice the other dhatus. Dah to burn. So remember, doh was to milk, dah is to burn. So dahati, dahyate, dakshyati. See the mahaprana. Dakshyati, dagdhavyam, dahaniyam, dahana we know. Very familiar with dahana, right? So even today we use that. Dagdaha, dagdha, dagdham. When I say even today we use that, I mean all of us colloquial linguists. In our mother tongues we use it as a tatsama tadbhava word from Sanskritam. So,
sir, in the third thing that Alpa Prana has become Mahaprana because of some rule or something, sir.
Always due to rules, Bhagini. Yes. In fact, the Kshakara also is come into picture. So this eventually this Hakara has taken on the Kshara form Kshatva, Ksha, and so Dhakshyati. Interesting set of rules apply there for future tense. Okay. Dagdaha, dagda, dagdam, dagdhavan, dagdavati. See, actually, Bhagini, see the Kshakara's arrival probably forces the Mahapranatva here. That's how I see it. Yes. There is some correlation of why Mahaprana is taken in there due to influence. Okay.
Yes, but usually in that one, whatever we see, it goes from one rule to another in the same column, no? But here from it is coming to the next, like.
Yeah. No. We have to go to ashtadhyayi.com, go to Dhatupata, type in this Dahati or something into the window. Then it will show the future tense Rupa also.
Transformation. Okay.
Transformation. Go click there. Then it will show, if you have the patience, it will show the entire Paninian pathway. Okay. Somebody has done some wonderful software. Some professor like person has done some wonderful software, and using that, this guy who built this ashtadhyayi.com has given a graphic mouth to all that. So the whole prakriya will be shown. We can clap, but to understand, we need to keep going.
Okay.
Dagdavan, dagdavati. So dahan, dahanti, dagdva, vidahya, dagdhum. Dogdhum was there for to milk, dagdhum for to burn. Mata dhenum dhogdum gattavati, mata kshiram dagdum gattavati. Of course, you won't try to burn the milk, but I just used not exactly proper. Okay. Chai, to sustain, such a rare dhai. What am I saying? Not chai. Dhai. Okay, dhai. Dadhati, rare. No, we know the dadati, soft one for giving. Okay, dadati, dadataha, dadanti. That one. So sorry, dadati, dadataha, dadati. That is the declension. Same way, this guy also dadhati, dadataha, dadhati. Okay, dhakara, we have to know to pronounce. So how much difference one Mahaprana makes, we have to be careful. Okay, to look after, to sustain. Dadati is to give, dadhati is to look after. Similar to this trayate sense. Okay, dhiyate. See, we know this dhiraha word that comes from this dhatu. Okay, one who knows to take care. Dhiraha, like that. He has that dhairya, like dhairya also comes from this, I think. Okay. Sir.
Sir, even dhiyo yona prachodayat, the dhiyo yona.
Dhi also comes from that. Correct. Yeah. Ghana gatihi. Dhatunam. Dadhati, dhiyate, dhasyati, dhatavyam, dhaniyam, hita. How much transformation, guys? Hita, hitam. So much transformation. It has gone all the way to Hakara here. Okay. Wow. So maybe the hitam also comes from this only. Okay.
Here it should be hitaha. Pullinga, no?
Actually, that's what this hitaha, hita, hitam. Something is wrong here. Hitaha, hita, hitam. Hita is not the pullinga. Hitaha, hita,
maybe
hitam.
the typo error.
Typo error. Hitavan, hitavati. So looked after, but in this hitam, some napumsaka thing looked after, but there is maybe another type of infinitive from another pratyayanta from some other Kridanta, which is the that which is pleasing. Some sense may come from that. Let us check whether it's from the same dhatu. Sometimes similar sounding dhatus have different meanings and generate different forms, so we can't conclude like this. Okay. So all right, then dhyai, dhyana. Dhyana we know very well. The dhatu is dhyai. So dhyayati, dhyayate. See here what happened. This is as you know, no, when we go to karmani mode, we get atmane ending. Okay. Here dandyate also we saw that same thing happening. Dhyayate. All right. So because already yakara is there, there is no nichya separately heard. So we'll move on. So let's see the few sentences I have taken some effort to type up. Shitru shishuhu matra trayate dhiyate. It's a beautiful picture. So the baby is protected by the mother. Then Shri Vivekananda dhyayati. Dhanarashihi dahati. A pile of money burns. Dhanarashina duhyate. Duhyate. This one, duhyate. Okay, like this, some examples. Okay. Any questions? So you guys try to put some sentences in a scrapbook. Huh?
What is the, sir, what is the meaning of Dhanarashina Dukhyate?
Dhanarashina duhyate. By the pile of money, it is burning is done, like that. Mean a pile of money is burning is active voice. The passive voice, by the pile of money, it is burning, like that. Okay.
What is dhyate?
Are you saying Mahaprana, Alpaprana, Bhagini?
Dhyate.
Dhiyate. This one, na? Dhiyate. Something else is looked after. So, for example, Shishuhu Matra Dhiyate. By the mother, the baby is taken care of.
Taken care. This is protected, this is taken care.
More or less same, Bhagini. The subtle difference. We have come so far, we don't really know when we should use that, when we should use this. If you go back to old kritis only, we can say randomly I cannot use trayate in the place of dhiyate. All those things will be there. But at this juncture, we will take even the half meaning we get. Prahelika.
Sundarani Chitrani.
Prahelika. So the puzzle of the day. Puzzling picture here. Rajnyah sambodhanam kim syat Sugriwasya tu ka priya adhanastu kimichanti artaihi kim kriyate vada. So the Kavi is giving us 3 clues and asking us to answer. Actually, he's giving us 4 clues. The 4th one is also a clue. Let us get one by one. I'll mute everyone with your permission. Okay. All right. Rajnyah sambodhanam kim syat. Rajnyah is of the king. Of the king. Shashti. Okay. Sambodhanam. So the way to address a king. So the address of a king. What it might be. I mean, how does one address a king? Hey, Mahodaya, something. Hey, Rajan. It can be many number of answers. So, but there will be some significant answer which sound will connect with the remaining. So we have to keep going. Sugrivasya tu ka priya. So who is very dear to Sugriva? Okay. It can be Hanuman, it can be Rama, but it is Priya, not Priyaha. So Hanuman and Rama are ruled out.
Tara.
Tara. So Mahodaya caught on to the correct name. So if you remember the whole story now, poor chap Sugriva's wife Tara, when Vali usurps Sugriva, Tara would have become part of the consort list of Vali, and he wins her back with help of Rama and all that story we know. So Tara Sugrivasya Priya evam. So tattu jnatam asmabhihi. We'll have to see how to connect that. Okay. Adhanaha. This is a sattva of visarga. Adhanaha. Dhanam means money. Adhana means without money. Adhanaha means a fellow who is without money. Adhanaha, many beggars who are without money. Kim Ichanti, what do they desire? They desire Lakshmi, Stri, Dhanam. Many answers can be there. Dhanam iti swikurma. Tara, Dhanam iti swikartum shakyate. First one we just know Raja, Raja, Hey Raja, or maybe Hey something else. Tara and Dhanam. So we got three things fine. Artaihi kim kriyate vada. Artaha are those who are despondent. Okay, distressed. So by the distressed. So Tritiya Bahuchana. Artaihi kim kriyate vada. What is done by those who are distressed? Hey, you say. So the Kavi is challenging us. Tvam vada. Like that. Okay, he's addressing us. Tvam vada. Like that. Okay. So give one word answer to all these. So we got Tara, we got Dhana, Shri, some answer may be there. And what is do the distressed do? They cry, I guess. They cry.
Praying God means worshipping God.
Oh, right. After crying, finally you end up worshipping God. So that's what Stuti or something like that. Okay, Vandana, Stuti, something like that. So let's open up.
Yeah.
Uttaram Jnatum Nudamah. Devataradhanam. Okay. Hey Deva. Correct. Applied. Okay. Somebody is very, very worshipful of the king. So he is saying Hey Deva only. Hey Deva. Tara, we got it easy. That was the easiest clue. Dhanam also Mohodaya is said. Okay. Very good. So Devataradhanam. So all these three together, if you see Devata Aradhanam. See, earlier the three answers was Deva, Tara and Dhanam, but the Samasta Devataradhanam is actually Devatayah Aradhanam. It's a double compound. Okay, Devata, a twin compound. Devatayah Aradhanam. Devataradhanam. Worshipping God. Devata if it is three, but Devatasya Aradhanam, Devataradhanam is also okay. Devaradhanam iti bhavati devatah ityapi syat tatra rupam devatah to devataradhanam. Very beautiful. Actually, the Chhat Puja was there recently. There is a very brilliant culture in the Ganges belt where all the ladies go for Chhat Puja in the nearby rivulet or river, etc. In Bihar, they still very traditionally follow this. I found a nice picture. I particularly like how they go about that. So that's that picture for you. They offer, we call in Kannada Bagina to the river. They offer very, very biodegradable fruits and other things, and they don't use anything that is not biodegradable. And also lamps are lit using leaf lamps and things like that. Okay. All right. So let's keep flowing. We have 12:38, so I think we can go for one Subhashitam today. And then call it. Actually, no. Today we are gathering in the afternoon, so I can't harass you for too long. So let us start with the Subhashitam in the afternoon at 3 o'clock. So go have your nice lunch, take a quick rest, come back, and we'll keep going ahead. Okay?
Sir, only one question, sir, before you close. Sir, in the previous slide, you told about this Chhat Puja, whether it is Chat or Chat, because some people tell you. What does that actually
sorry,
mean?
not Chhat Puja.
It is Chhat Puja.
That is Pani Puri.
Actually, the spelling is correct. CHHA, Chhat Puja.
Chhat Puja.
Does anybody here from the, is anybody from the north who does this?
Sir, we do in Tamil Nadu for Kaveri, Adi Padanatanishi, we do for the Kaveri.
Kaveri, you do this something similar.
We do this on Adi Padanat.
Adi
It is Chhat Puja. 18th day of Adi Masa.
Adi Masa is what in Samskrita account?
Ashadam. Ashtadasha Dina.
Shravana.
Shravani. No, sir. Shravana is Avani.
Shravana. Ashada.
Ashada is correct.
Ashada.
So it is known as Chhat Puja
exactly, sir, because one is lunar and one is solar.
There is a northern region lady who's trying to answer. Bagini?
No, it's not that. It's just that I'm from Calcutta. We hear people celebrate nearby and all. It is Chhat Puja.
Chhat Puja.
Yeah, and just 3, 4, 5 days after Diwali, it's celebrated.
It happened very recently, I know.
Sun.
What is it exactly? Worship of the sun, na?
Worship.
Oh, that is why the picture has a sun.
Dedicated to the deity Surya.
What is the meaning of Chhat? It is because of 6th day or something?
Because of the
Yes. It's a 6th day after Amavasya.
Or maybe Chaturthi. Chhat comes from Chaturthi.
No, sir, 6th day.
No, 6th day.
After the Diwali Amavasya.
Oh, 6th day after Deepavali. After the Deepavali.
Yes, 6th day.
The setting sun and the rising sun is worshipped, sir.
Chhat Maiya, mother goddess and sun sister is worshipped.
Oh,
Festival. It is celebrated 6 days after Diwali on the 6th day of the lunar month of Kartika in the Hindu calendar Vikram Samvat. The rituals are observed over 4 days. They include holy bathing, fasting and abstaining from drinking water, standing in water and offering prasad and arghya to the setting and rising sun. So we have here these local pond and all those. So early morning and evening, you see the whole gang, they come and then they go to the water. I mean, I used to go and take pictures and all those. And then once it is over, then crackers and everything. And then they come home the whole night, they stay back. Early morning, again, they go at sunrise, they do the puja and come home. It's about 3-4 days.
Super. Actually, I have seen, I mean, the women folk are most colorfully dressed with, in very traditionally dressed. It's just a lovely sight. Women of all ages, right from young girls all the way. And of course, the men folk are there to help around with it. And it's a wonderful culture. So super.
All flowers, fruits and everything big. They sing, they come and keep it around and then they do puja, they sing and all this. It's nice to watch.
Yes. Beautiful social event. Social event it is.
Yeah,
whole village participates. Yeah.
Mahodaya.
Yes.
Mahodaya.
Yes,
Hello.
Mahodaya.
Sir, I am having one confusion with the third lesson, 46 page number. There is one sentence, 46 page number. Nagara, the last but one, Ditviya Vibhakti Napumsakalinga sentences. Nagarat agataha grameenaha vegena gachanti yanani drishtva ascharya chakitaha. Here,
Nagarat agataha grameenaha. I got it. What is the confusion, Bhagini?
Yeah, I got it confused. The meaning, maybe it is grammatically correct, but Nagarat agataha grameenaha, why should they get
Oh, actually, if you listen to our recording, even I was nonplussed.
Yeah, because
actually,
it may be Nagaram agata or
Nagare or Nagaram would have fit the sentence correct. Correct, yeah. Bhagini, no problem. See,
because
but semantically it may be weird, but
another way too.
Just let me finish with her. Semantically, it may look a little weird sentence, but syntactically, nothing wrong. Okay.
Okay. That's why I got confused because I was absent for 3-4 classes, so I could not ask this question earlier.
But then we answered like this, Bhagini. Today, no, in Calcutta, Bangalore, Kanpur, Delhi, the vehicles move slowly because there are too many of them. These vehicles are actually moving fast in the out zone areas near villages. So the villager thinks, oh, the vehicles that move so fast near my house must be rocketing around in Bengaluru. He comes to Bengaluru and then he sees the crawling traffic and he is surprised.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, sir.
I mean,
too much traffic in Bengaluru.
But actually, then we should switch Vegana to slowly. Okay. All right.
Dhanyavada, Mahodaya.
Dhanyavada. After 3 o'clock. Okay.
Milam.
Dhanyavada.
Trivadane Milam.
Trivadane.